Well, folks, welcome to the Halby Homestead. We had freezing rain all weekend. It's Monday now. Thankfully, PA day. But I'm not sure how that's gonna be on Tuesday. But anyways, we're without power. And Dave just went to town because we ran out of fuel. We were without power for most of the day yesterday, actually, because we couldn't get the generator to start because the spark plug was acting up, so that's always a joy. I'm not even sure if Dave's gonna make it to town, to be honest with you. The township hasn't really been around here on these small roads, and I mean, I'm not blaming them for it. They've got other stuff to worry about, but I'm not even sure if Dave's gonna get out. And this is a road that is one way in and one way out, so this is our only option. Yeah, it's a lot of tree damage. I will show you some video in a bit here of yesterday of just the sounds of the trees dropping like all around us. We couldn't really venture far yesterday because like literally branches and trees were like dropping everywhere. And I'll show you the video of Dave leaving. This is all ice still. It's supposed to warm up today, but it was supposed to be actually like warmed up by now, but it hasn't yet, so I don't know. I thought that by this time of the day that most of this would be kind of melted away. But it is not. Anyways, let's hope that it melts soon. That came off of a branch. Well, that's better. I had these ice skates in the bus, and I just got in there to get them. Almost died though walking over here. Doesn't look that big, but that tree there, it like rocked the hydro line when it came down. I thought it was going to take the whole hydro line down yesterday. I'm walking in the middle of the road because there's still giant icicles falling. And I'm here alone, and I have a feeling it's going to take Dave a long time to get to town. I mean, I know the township is busy, but I wish they'd come up here with their sander and sand up here, and while they're sanding, just like push these branches out of the way. And who knows what it's like down there. It looks even worse down there, but I can't see, so I really don't want to venture too far. Our dogs are currently inside because we have no power for the electric fence. And Mr. Bailey heard me. Hi, Mr. Bailey. Bailey doesn't mind being inside, but Poppy, she has some anxieties because she likes to be outside with her birdies, so anyways, hopefully she can get back in here soon. So Dave made it back. He had to go all the way to Belleville to get fuel. The sun is out, the generator's running, the furnace is on. Woohoo! It actually starts to feel like things are getting a little bit better. It's really nice out right now. The sun just feels so fresh. The other thing is the ice is like totally melting away. Because the generator's on, the dogs are outside now, so they're happy. So now he's firing up the tractor, and we're going to start working on clearing the road. Because there's a lot of tree branches down. So anyways, here we go. Doing that, I am collecting more sap. We're on our last boil, and because I think the season is almost done, so we're gonna collect up the sap.